Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them are clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Hello sister.
Yes.
How you doing? I'm not gonna keep you long because you must be tired.
Some washing.
Some washing. Oh, someone could have bring mine.
Can't wash for young people.
It's not that dirty. You know, I'm old. Yes, I got 4,000 here for you.
What?
From Dawn, from Maryland. Yeah, from Dawn, from Maryland. $4,000 for you.
Wow.
Rich.
That's good.
Rich.
Thank you, Dawn.
From Maryland, USA.
From Maryland. I thank you so much. May God bless you. Boy, this is good. This is good. Yes, thank you very much.
Dawn.
Boy, and this was like a surprise.
Yes.
Yes.
That's
yes.
it work, right? As a surprise.
Yeah,
the Lord
God is
work.
good. Yes, God is so good. Yeah, love you so much. I love you.
Okay.
I mean, you know, your basket will never empty.
Never.
No, and you give me this, the Lord will provide something for you much bigger.
Much bigger.
Yes.
Okay. Alright then, so we give thanks. I will thank you, Dawn. We thank you so much for blessing our dear pastor, Sister Junie. You know, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Alright then, sister, you can go and rest up back now. So we thank you so much, Dawn, for blessing our sister, dear pastor, Junie. So we thank you so much.
God is good.
All the time.
I'm making a tea,
Teresa, I have 2 donations here for you. Turn up right there. Echo Pasting. We have 2 donations here for you towards the project 2, 3. Alright, so first we have 4,000 here from Tony from Ilford, UK. 4,000 from Tony.
Thank you, Tony. Infirm?
Yeah, Ilford, UK.
UK, thank you very much. So this will go out to some more materials. So thank you very much. But the basket never empty. May God bless you.
Okay. I will also have Angela as well from the USA. Angela. This himself is Angela. Yeah. So we have Angela as well from the USA. 14,000. So 14,000.
Thank you, Angela from the USA. May God bless you and open your doors and continue to buy some more things on the need.
I will also have another one as well from Dolores as well too from the USA. 29,000 for you from Dolores.
Thank you, Delroyce from the UK. Thank you.
From the USA.
From the USA, thank you very much. And may God bless you. Every donation we collect, they don't make a waste of it. We try to do everything that's in the class. Thank you very much.
So we give thanks to Dolores. Thank you so much. And also Dawn. You know, thank you so much as well to Tony. Thank you as well, Tony, for your donation. You know, Dolores, thank you as well to Angela. We thank you as well to Mother Teresa's donation. So, alright, so as you can see the project, you know, that was it.
Come now, Esther. Say it sweet.
When a long stick can reach them. Alright. Yeah, long stick for reach them mango there. Very long. You see it at the window? Look, see there? See there? The long stick.
Okay.
Hello, Shannon. What's up? What's wrong? What's wrong today? You look so sad. You gonna tell me what's wrong?
I don't care cage.
Alright, I'm gonna come back and tell me what's wrong, right? I'm gonna pick a mango.
Oh God. Wait, I'm come on and eat it.
Why not get the mango? You can't catch?
Look, man.
Who want to catch a mango?
Alright, one.
With a butterfinger.
I didn't have nothing to do with eyes when I catch. Nothing to do with eyes.
That is it. See you right up in there today. Catch again. That is it. One more day up in the same vamps.
One the vamps.
If oh wait, I'm going to myself for that one. What it is? Them feel ripe though.
I feel ripe or them ripe?
Them ripe, like ripe, you know.
Yeah, but they're not starving.
You need to eat them, Bam. Alright.
More than that? In
That is it. Respect.
So one that's what it's my bush.
Smell curry. You cook curry vamps. Curry kicking. Alright, this head stuff. Then I'll finish them all. Shannon, what's up?
Where you pipe there?
Pipe the weird dog in there. You can get some more.
What's happening?
Bring on UC this morning.
I bring a UC this morning. Okay.
On the renal thing.
Yeah. So them say everything's good?
Oh, then give me a date back to come back next week. Next week Monday, 27th.
Okay, okay.
What happened there, last time I look for them there, a country.
Okay.
The kidney doctor.
Okay, then they are country. Alright then, so for me have a date to come up again. Because you want the pin or come out of legs, right?
That more, because when them to the platinum, so I wonder if it build up back.
If it build up back.
Fruits, we get still.
Hopefully it build up.
Apple and them sitting.
Yeah.
And them sitting. So hopefully it build up the third and next month.
Okay.
Third and next month.
Third next month. Alright then.
Look, that man, a big man, she may say. I'm called to me, say. You see a funky, thing, you know.
Yeah. Father for the year.
I feel proud and things, man.
Yeah. Cool, man.
Yeah, man.
Father for the year, man. Say. I have a donation here, because I pass by. I also have this, I have a dress here, to give to Vin. From her name is D. D Mwango. She donated this dress as well too, because she watched the video and everything. So she know you have daughters, so she give this one to Vin.
She name D?
Yeah, D Mwango.
D Mwango?
D Mwango. Yes, D Mwango.
D Mwango.
Yeah.
Miss D Mwango. Get a dress. Lovely white dress.
Yes.
And then be I can bring her to church tonight.
Yeah.
So give thanks and praise and respect to all the world.
Yeah.
So I appreciate it. Me heart still,
Yes, sir.
and I'm here nothing big or I look away I can,
Yeah, we give thanks.
I appreciate it all right. I struggle with the dance,
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Alright then. And we have a donation here for Vin. Give me sorry for Vin. For Shanette. I got donation. I got money here for you, Shanette. I don't know what's wrong with you today. So I guess you're not in the good mood. Right? So I got $4,000 here for you. You lose?
You lose.
What you lose?
lost all my kills.
Like, on what game?
The strongest battlegrounds.
Which one?
The strongest battlegrounds.
Oh, so you lose your Vex. If you lose, you try again, right?
Call me noob.
They call it noob.
Weak noob.
Never pay that no mind. You can try again, right?
They keep on beating me up.
But you're gonna beat them one day if you keep trying.
I'm only at 1 kills.
No, you will get better. Okay? So only can get better once you don't give up. Right? So here I got $4,000 here for you.
Thank you.
From Dawn. From Dawn. So it's a Dawn, thank you.
Thank you, Don. It's a pleasure for thank you. There's so much for me. And thank you too.
Okay. Alright, tell Dawn thanks. Dawn from Maryland.
Down from Maryland. Have a good day, man. Thank you for what you've done today, isn't it?
Yeah.
And I appreciate what you do see, because you see what it now got you on the struggle, and the struggle led you from your stage,
Yeah.
So far and see, I respect what you do, Thank you very much.
Alright, so I'll give thanks to Dawn and that I give thanks to Dee for the dress. Shanette, don't worry, you will win one day, okay? Just keep trying. Okay? High five.
Too strong.
But
They're
you-
at 1,000. There are
but you got-
10,000 kills.
You're gonna get stronger.
How am I going to reach 10,000?
Of course, how they reach 10,000? The same way they reach, the same way you're gonna reach. Not giving up, keep trying. Till they get better each day.
But one can be to 10,000.
No, well, 1 is a start. Because you have to start from 0, then 1, then you have 2, 3,
Not just
4.
she said, straight, is it?
The knee gets straight. Wow, yeah. Wow, getting straight.
Straight.
Yes. Hey, she's gonna be running for Jamaica Olympics. The next 10 years, you're running Olympics.
Let me have it for 15 degrees.
Yeah. So no, it's,
15 and gone, is it?
so it's straight now.
I'm belly to go for the 45, and straight, it is a straight.
Yeah. Well, I'm there. I smell your curry pot, fam. So go and check your curry pot before it burn up. You know. Alright, then later, okay?
Not yet. I thought I saw someone murdering somebody.
No, don't look at that, okay?
I took a gun and shoot them.
Not
Wanna
good.
know what the game's called?
What's it?
Murder My Story.
You're not supposed to play that game. No?
It's not scary.
It's scary.
They just stop somebody and run away.
Scary for me.
Are you a child?
Of course, that's too scary for me. I play football game, cricket game, swimming game, basketball game.
Because you are a boy.
Yes, I don't play nothing scary. So you must play the princess
I
game,
play-
the reading games, you know. Alright. Okay, so take
I'm
care.
reading in class.
Alright
I'm
then.
happy.
happy.
People used to call me stupid.
No, don't worry about that. Okay?
Bye-bye.
I was customizing the avatar.
Alright then, fams. Yeah. Bye. Let's say the step is going in play. What is this, a manual?
Running water pipe. From an underwater cave here.
It's a farm underwater cave. Another grotto cave this.
On a green gutter, one you have
Trenchtown grotto cave.
into a gutter cave.
That look like a real cave.
That's what I'm missing. What do you want?
So Mother Teresa not use no more ladder. Huh?
I want to make it.
She want to set her foot in there.
Right.
So go find her way out there. Step here look neat already. Piece of board this up, piece of board this up, piece this up, piece this up.
What tie them up?
Guys, go natural skill. So this is the step. So Mother Teresa don't have to any ladder anymore at all.
So look up this again.
Yeah.
Put that back, man.
Oh. Yeah.
One money. Look. You want to say the next one kind of boil and it lazy.
Who the artist? The artist name stuff.
I'll make it on.
The tears.
One on the work side. I'm going to say no phone on the work side.
I can't feel back in a little bit.
I forget this.
Look at me.
I can't give it forget. I can't really I want. I got back on face, but I don't have to be that, that's why.
You have more now.
I just show
You know what you
I'm here, you know, to see Christine. You know, that's the mother of the little boy that got shot. You know, because I got some donation for her. As well, and I also brought some pampers as well for him. You know, the little boy that got shot. So yeah, man. So we give thanks, guys. So thank you so much and welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, bless you so much. I will thank you for watching Kina Life in Jamaica. You know, so we're here in 5th Street, you know, 5th Street where Dean Dread is, you know, you remember this spot. I always come here more than one time, you know. It's not the first time coming here. Let me show you. You know this spot already. By looking around, you can tell where we at. You know, this is where we are in D. This is where I first met D, right up here. You know, right out there we met the Rasta man in here. That's called Dean Dread. You know, so that's where we are today. You know, waiting on Christine, you know, to coming up the road now for us. Alright, burst. We got 2 donations for the little boy, you know, and guys, we pray a speedy recovery, you know, and hope, you know, one day he will start walking again very soon. So I hope he can put out the prayers, you know, to help this little boy that got shot. Guys, he's only 10 years old, you know, and he got stray bullets, you know. That was an incident take place in the community, you know, where he got shot, you know. So it was a sad moment, you know, tragedy that take place, you know, because he's only 10-year-old. A stray bullet kind of ended his freedom for moving around freely, playing his football, running up and down. So he's not doing none of that anymore, you know, but he's doing therapy, you know, so he's on the road to recovery, you know. So I don't know if you new viewers new here and you missed the previous video with his mom, you know, where we gave that interview about what happened, you know, what take place in the community of Churchtown to cause him to not walking for now, you know. So hopefully he will start walk again, you know, by the help of the Almighty and the prayers of you guys that's watching, you know. So we thank him so much. So we hope you're in 5th Street, you know, helping out. So we check Deanie Dread and everything. There. Sure. Go on. More life, more strength. Back on the place. Oh no man, all is well. And Christine, I come check for care a donation for the little boy. So she'll come still. You know, so she'll come. Everything good. More one of them here right now, you know. Guys, you see these, you have to drink these. And you can come at DNG, the liquor wholesale, to get the best price on them. You know, you can buy them by the boxes and the cases. Right, Dini? Dini, they keep any on the fridge? You keep none. You have cold one? Yeah. Cold one, them nice, you know. Drink it straight away, rest of the time is hot. Yeah, so how was your trip, Dane?
Yeah, man, nice, man.
Wonderful. You have changed for this? I try to remember that artist there. I forgot what his name. It's song when him sing. Hey. Candyman.
Yeah.
What's his name? Yeah. And sing the song say, "Sort me out." Tony Candy. Wait a minute, there? Darrell. Oh. I like that song there, no? I remember him doing. That's my general. Foundation. Guys, I don't know the melody of that song, but that was a good song. Tony Candy was singing that day, you know. Sort me out, keep me warm. Tony Candy. Dean, I'm gonna be on the outside here waiting on her, yeah? Alright then, give thanks. Manaz okay. Alright guys, so let me see if the party man is here. I never lucky to get a party yet. So let's see if we can get a party right now, because this man said we never met the party. It done within a second. Party man, party man, where the party man there? Guys, it's party, not there. We must come the right time. You see good?
Yeah man, sick out from there. Some look the heat and the cold thing when I drink. Fuck me in general.
Oh.
So at the end of the day, I go back through money and fucking idiot things that lose my life. So that take some time down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'm never lucky if we can get the party star.
Oh damn, I'm motherfucker, I never know how you know. Never know how you know. What's there?
She gone to Trinidad now.
Who missed on a furniture market?
You see her the other day?
She see me? But down a furniture market, I see her on Luke Lane.
Yes.
And she must see something like
that. She man.
Walk and she say, babe. I say, but no, the girl because she shot, see.
Yeah. She gone to Trinidad now.
Man, you there, man, because right now, not pretty for me. I want an oven now.
Oh, you want an oven?
Too much heat. The day when we up on the stove, I want an oven, that's, you know, when I lock the oven, I eat that till I go back in there again. Something like that, more.
So guys, this is the man who made the best patty.
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Them said and him said, but me not try it as yet.
Yeah,
I'm never lucky yet to come get the patty. I don't know why.
Yeah, man, I chew my time, man. I can't saltfish. And callaloo patty.
The callaloo patty and them, but
patty you want.
I'm not lucky to get none.
Cheese patty, any patty.
Any
you want.
patty.
Just order the patty, a curry patty you can get.
I mean.
Yeah, man, any patty you want, man.
Same fish patty.
Any patty you just debone and you just ropes, because you not going to encounter with no bone.
Yeah, no
bone. You straight teeth. No lean it and no stop unless it hot. No.
Aye.
Your body, no.
Yeah, the man full of lyrics as well now.
Man,
Kill it with the rhyme.
Yeah,
Speak kindly and time.
And in life, you know, you see in life you have to work, rest and enjoy yourself. Because if you don't work, rest and enjoy yourself, you're going to have a problem. You can't do one of them. You have to do cheap and a level. You rest a month, you work and, you know, and you enjoy yourself. Because if you enjoy yourself too much, you're going to broke.
Yes.
And if you rest too much, you're going to get lazy.
Yes.
And if you work too much, you're going to do what? Finish, you know? Dead.
So which one for do? Because what they see you make a speech over there to a youth, the man say, where say,
oh, like say, if a man don't live nowhere,
yeah,
and now work,
yeah.
Where you do ya?
Yes.
No, where you really do ya?
I'm not making the love, say making the love.
Oh, yeah.
Video.
Yeah, you have to cut out that.
Yeah.
What I'm saying, I know say a raw thing I go on, but what I'm saying, you live somewhere, and you work, and you make love. You know, nothing more. The three of them attack. If you have one, you still need the other one.
Of
if you got the other one, you still need the other one to make three.
Yeah.
But if you even have one of them, you know, you're on a journey, you're on the start of a journey in life. No. If you have a second one, you know, so you go up to it.
Yeah,
and so you have a third one now, you say, oh,
yes.
Good, my journey done.
Yeah.
But you still going to want a little loving after you. The only way you don't want to love, you know, there's something wrong with your body.
Of course. I see that one day when they say, yo, work less, enjoy yourself more. You know, but that's one very hard though.
Which one?
For work less, enjoy yourself more.
I never tell you that, you're not listening. I say, work, rest and enjoy.
Okay.
You work 1 month, and you rest one next one, and you enjoy one next one, you're going back on the level.
So,
that mean, you understand
so yes, so you work 1 month.
Yeah. No, when I say no, you're not going to definitely work 1 month, no. But that's why I'm going to put it in there for sure. So if you just work, rest and enjoy, you can't do one of them.
Yes.
You can't work too long. You just get up and work,
Yeah.
and not do nothing.
True.
You get your pay. What you work for?
True.
You work for
You must have a goal, you want to achieve a goal.
If I have that,
yeah.
But you work for be independent. You know, I go beg nobody nothing.
Yes.
Why can I work because some man don't want to work, you know.
That's true.
Some man just sit down and beg that I want to work too. For them. Yeah, that I want to work so for them, because them just sit down and beg. Some of them, you know, you have them gun and them say, alright. I don't know, you know. Take up my gun and rain. Yeah, man, have them gun and work too, you know.
True.
Have them going to protect themselves that some invalid come class. Just move them out of your way. No.
Of course.
So that's what the thing is. So at the end of the day, I just life. And next again, your life is not a gun. Your life is not a gun for protect yourself.
Yeah.
So you did with it right now at how you come from.
And your life needs. So where life
you are the gun you protect and your life. Because at the end of the day.
Yeah.
When a man have a gun, if a gunman, police, soldier, everything change boy. You stand up, change your walk, change your talk,
everything change.
Because you're gun world now.
Yes.
But they have some sense. They're trying to make some money off of them talking, because them talking the normal, you know?
The normal.
Don't forget me.
The normal. So one of them learn, so guys, they need to listen and learn what this man has said.
Yeah, man, I took everything and already feated, man. Because you took up the gun and already feated.
Sure.
I say you won't dead with it still, you know. You can't shoot the man to the man, shoot and the two on the dead. You shot my gauge, man, panic.
Yes.
Anyway you want to take it, but be vigilant. When you see another guy in your yard, you blood. No, sorry.
Yeah, man.
When you got your yard, no, at the same time they're vigilant.
Yes.
You call for your phone, you have a phone for some of them have phone for those big problems.
Yes.
You call a yard, everybody inside, and tell the dog in my house, no, because anytime me come cross anything, move them yard, dead. It's a joke, me. That's why I'm not going at the gun world, because enough man of them gun and them, it never happen, them are dead.
True. And the man was dead, left the gun.
Yeah, all of that too, but what I'm saying, if even hurt me with Sweden, say they are try a thing. We have it for, you're back for the hardest for the wall.
Yes.
We need anywhere out the door.
True.
Out there, because you say it's a gunman now.
Yes,
he's a police, he's a firearm. That's what you call it now. Yeah, license farm, all that, yeah. You know, jumps up. Anything come cross. Come on, I face you for kill, you know.
Yeah, of course.
You turn up and I want building to I don't want no over me neither. I have a vigilant. Not just what me there. You can't be afraid that man now. They still are dead.
Of course.
They don't afraid they still are dead.
Yes.
No,
So anyway you take it, you have to dead.
Yeah. So
That's one thing that's guaranteed in life.
no, that is a must. Once
It's a
you live in,
must.
you gotta
Yes.
die. Yeah, oh, you mean?
Right.
All right. Let me tell you something now, and the government's supposed to hear this stuff. A gun alone can't stop the crime.
Gun alone can stop a crime.
We are going to Jamaica, yeah.
Explain that one day.
All right, we're going to explain it for you now.
Yeah.
Quick and fast.
You can.
That scheme of police and soldier live over there. So you hear me say, a
Yeah.
scheme of police and soldier live over there. So.
Over there, so.
And a scheme of normal people not going to live over there. So how the gunman them are going to be done talk.
Okay.
Hey, you have to pay for them talk. No, you can't do me now. Oh,
What I'm
so.
saying?
Yeah, but
It makes sense because if
You know
one
what makes
scheme of
sense?
police over one side and next scheme of normal people over the next side. So we have to make the police them live with the people them then.
that can't go on.
Yeah.
Mix
You have to mix it up.
But
So
the people them know them hard to deal with tough. Some of them pick me a gunman and sit on them now. Them son on them. But what I'm saying, that me know so
but you have the police them are corrupt too.
everywhere corrupt. So that's
Yeah.
where we have to go.
So if you have one scheme of police over there, half are go corrupt and the half are go good.
But we don't respond to them now, they're not free life we are talking about.
Yes.
That's why them don't want the crime to stop. Because one set of people if you have gun. Them want the bad man, them and we not if you have none. If them get every alright, me in my house now. And you're not my door. I hate how we live in the house. And I hate how we can have a license gun. Body. Big enough.
Yeah.
Come kick it off man, come in there. Come kick it off and come in there. Come in there. I thought I do one bus shot in and say shot now bus out too.
Exactly. Exactly. Because them know what them are doing. Because remember, you know, them say crime is a job, you know.
Yeah,
You know,
it's a job. So, and I'm making money thing. Same
It's
way.
a making
And
money
they also
thing.
if you have money.
Of course.
Doctor have to make money. And the way I call now the pharmacy
Have to make them
money.
of course.
So that's
It's
why
a-
them have it on a stable.
Yes, it is a
One
business.
stable, them not switch to one and say, boy, the whole of we have going that. Me say the whole of we. We could pop off.
Yeah.
Every man want chuck off, who want chuck off. Me response to you.
So imagine there's no crime and nobody not sick.
That's so nice. But we can put this in a child love, no make a child.
Yeah, of course.
Just around up and 8 one so. My youth, every man have the heart and mind like me, man. They're nice. You know, say we got a country already. And get one nice girl over one scheme. Long time, my man look like I could get her.
Yeah.
I like me come get her done.
Yeah.
And the style and the looks, so you feel like I can't look and looks already. You can't look on the book cover, you have to go in the book.
Go in the book, of
All
course.
Right, that's sure that, come on this.
Yes.
Yeah, me didn't know and get girl. One day I go over there and play football, me and my brother and play some football with the youth them in the community and say. I don't know what the crack up. Oh, the what do I do? Kick the ball. No, a bat and ball with that play. I can try.
Cricket.
Bat and ball, yeah, cricket.
Yes.
And
Yeah.
can I go and talk?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
the man them
Alright.
some kicking come licking at the ball and me catch the ball now because we feel. And the ball drop and the man them a talk about me a patty boy and all them something.
She drop the ball.
Yeah, and one of them fling something and I'm licking back. And the man them from my side beat me, you know, because they're the only stranger they did. The man them beat me. The man them beat me because I lick back a man and the whole of the country boy them tumble and palm because I'm fresh them tongue.
Yeah.
And the man them beat me say, yo, the killer, you know. He say, you kill me, you know. On top of me, everybody, because I can that at night because everybody they on top of me on a broad day. Me can't see but the man them with the on top of me and the place I get that. And the man them not kill me. I'm going to yard for I sit down for about 3 weeks and I will have it. So I touch the road. Be your face at here. I'm going to some from Paul Road and them. Yeah, me go.
Yeah.
Me tell you, me tell you no. I beat out one of them. I must tell me catch out of them because I remember some of them. Right now, me I turn here than the place. So I'm taking nice.
Very nice.
I sent there isn't that happen. Sent there isn't that.
Isn't that.
You know them all listen them all see it, make them see it.
Yeah.
And that a normal boy.
Yes, of
Me and
course.
God power, not Satan.
Not Satan.
That you are power God, if you are power Satan,
Power
Satan.
Satan.
One time, you don't know where you depend, you're confused. Talk where you talk.
Sure, you have to power with one. So me power with God too, you know.
What do you mean?
So you know your thing go already.
What
So
do you mean?
anybody, I gotta deal with you.
Sure.
You know?
My youth.
Gotta deal with you.
I'm telling you, love where you come link me still, but I want that old man to just go out with the party thing. Something
Yes.
only can do for me. You hear that? I'm on a fridge. One fridge keep me them and the flour and rare because I tell you say that in taste it can make party like me. That party my father use and mine the whole of we.
Yes.
I'm just look. In the teaching, I just look and learn. That's so smart. Me now be with a man for 2 years already. I drive up and me and my boss. Drive up and me I go for rice and flour. I'm on a whole set. Bam. The man left me down a rice house one evening. No, me can't see my comeback. I never drive Jeep, you know. Me never drive here. Me know my son said man I watching.
Yeah.
Pint instead catching me drive that good night.
Yeah,
Yeah, me not a missed here.
Yeah, missed here first time.
The first time I drive, I go up there because I missed the town, I'm dead. I'm do everything when I'm doing in a vehicle.
Yeah.
The hill turn up, so if you can't drive, don't go up there. That's
Don't.
20 bag of rice, now that I go up there. Because I said you can't go front way, strongest gear of the vehicle.
Yeah. Or is that come down back way?
Yeah, you already know if you can't, if it's a boy along and a boy along meet and it can't go up the 20 bag of rice, you have flat alone about muscle high.
Yeah.
And you turn on the vehicle and reverse because the strongest gear of the vehicle. Why? Because it's hardly used.
True.
So
It makes sense. So guys, so you see, he's a vibes man, and he's also have talent to make him party, you know. That's his hustle, you know, make party. But as I can say, the struggle right now, you know, he want an oven, you know, he want a stove, you know, with an oven, you know. So no matter how small the stove, you probably have an oven, right?
Yeah, man.
So this is the way.
The big side from this thin sheet. From this thin sheet can hold that it.
Oh.
Because once we measure the oven front and go up, my man is going there. They can't work.
But that's like a big oven though, a big stove.
Good size oven because.
Yeah. See, there's a smaller one, just in case if suppose some. Yeah, that's a big one.
No hole in there. So if you look how it big. Look how it won't be. It want a broader width. You have them home them man. You have them home there. You just carry a thin sheet. Just carry my thin sheet when you go buy. Can be smart like that. You don't wonder.
So just in case if somebody cannot afford to buy the big one, if them can buy you a small one, you have a small tray, we can work with it.
Yeah. But anyway, you get a small tray, like with a patty over that. I want 20 patty over this. And the width of the problem now. Some of the stove you can't get it with good price, and them not dear.
This is a big one still.
Yeah, them never dear. Just the width.
So much you reckon for the size stove you'll be looking for?
Like say, how much feet? I don't know how much. I don't check it out yet.
Okay.
Then I check it out now and check out the price. I make sure I can have a thin sheet. I don't want no obstruction.
Yes.
Can have a thin sheet with me and go in at the store and go so pop. And try this. Makes sense, no?
It makes sense.
Okay,
it makes sense.
Thank you, sir.
It makes sense.
Yeah.
So
I wonder. You measure the lot. I mean, if I measure the lot, I carry it. I measure nothing. I can tell you wrong measurement.
Yeah.
So that's the problem. You hear that?
Alright, so guys, you know we're here to help each other. So I hope if you have God in somebody out there, them willing to bless you, you know, with an oven where you can continue with the party, because we don't come here and get the party I know, because
you know this man. All people are foreign.
Yes.
All people from foreign come here, come buy my party and carry up a dozen gone up. Yes, man. Yes, man. I'm gonna use baking flour now. I use baking flour, you get it more better. And they I use counter flour and it nice. So for me I use the whole company.
Yes.
I trouble, man.
Raisin flour.
Trouble, man.
Yes. Alright then, guys. So what your name? Tell them my name.
Ricky, my name, man.
Ricky.
Ricky Trooper.
Ricky Trooper. Oh man, Ricky. Yeah, Ricky Trooper there by the sound, man.
I chew them back here and go give like that.
Yeah. So Ricky Rima. No, Ricky Rima. No.
Yachty. Them call me Yachty otherwise.
Okay.
Name Ricky. I mean name Alric Clark. Remember right name.
Okay. So Ricky Yachty.
No, Ricky Yachty.
Ricky Yachty. Yeah. So so that's your name. Ricky Yachty. So this is Ricky Yachty. You know.
The party, no Yachty.
Yachty, not party. Ricky Yachty. So Ricky Yachty, big up yourself, man, and good for the vibes, you know. Good for the vibes, man. So like I pray if somebody can call and say, you know what, let me bless him, you know, with that oven, you know, where it can help you, where it can start off with the thing.
Like a fridge on them something. You see the people in Moya too. I have to help them too, because $2 I sell a party for motor and them give me $150. I still bust them. Yeah, man, because I don't know, I get to this and so I have to help each other.
That is it.
I watch nothing. I must say that's why God bless me so. I'm sick out from one day to and I work for about 2 weeks. You know.
Yes.
I can't call it.
Yeah.
It's very serious and dangerous.
Yes, true.
So you don't know, big brother.
Alright, then bless up, yeah?
Thanks, you know, yourself, man. So when the girl come back here?
I'm not sure yet still, you know, but hopefully she'll see her back here soon.
I want to see her, man, because I'm looking at Bridget. Shorty, I'm looking at Bridget, man. So you there on the farm long time?
Yeah, because I come see Christine, so them say she just reached. So she up there with her son. And look boy we got shot in a wheelchair.
Oh, yeah, your interview?
Yeah, we did. So I bring donation and come get them. Give them some already the other day, so someone call and bless them back again some more. So and then I go bless now, you know.
That's good that one too, because I don't know where the youth them are pray. Them all like a prison young and are dead so young. I mean you can dead different way. You're not forced to turn a ghost. And that I see them a do.
Yeah.
Because sometimes you can't see can dead, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and accident and that different. But when a man come chop you up and shoot what you expect. And that them call untimely detonate, you know that?
Yes,
them call untimely, don't. Now people know that that's because you have untimely from earth, because if man never come shoot you, you dead. If man come chop you up, you wouldn't dead, don't.
True.
So at the end of the day, man, for those who hold them clan and us want to live right and us do the right thing, because the youth them are dead too early, them are going to prison too early. If you go the old, you don't know, you live your life early, you can think and remember enough things.
When you go there when you're young?
Yeah, when you go there when you're young now, you know what I'm telling you?
Tell them what happened.
your mind go lock off like first time black and white TV.
Yeah.
Sign off.
Yes.
As you go into something to time, whoop!
Whoop,
Because remember
lock
the TV used to sign off, you ban them time there?
Of course.
Yeah, TV.
JBC.
You some line coming at TV.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
you have to go in a prison with a cable head. The cable man can't sign off.
Yeah,
and
sign off. That's true. Because them come out mad. Them come out mad.
If you're going to go see your old man right now, if you're going to the old and him a laugh, guess what I'm doing? Somebody must say a call.
Alright.
If you're going to right now and book an old man, we're going there with him old and you see my laugh. Remember make him a laugh, whole heap of thing. We're going to go see a young boy alive, him laugh him gone! Him gone! Can't remember nothing more.
Yeah, yes.
Some of them never made love to him 2 girls yet and them gone to prison.
It's true.
Them not no sense of back in the life them a live.
It's true.
If I'm not a cartel, you think him feel good? Can't go in there kind of young, you know.
Now let the man yeah?
Take care of yourself.
Alright then, yeah. Alright then guys, so I have to go around because I have to go let in someone. Let out someone. Yeah. A true man. Alright, so the mother has arrived. You know, the mother has arrived with the little boy. Zian, what go on? Mommy?
Sorry about that.
I'm a general, cool man. Manners. Oh, big up.
Keen up on the block.
Cool man, stars among stars.
I mean, it's alright.
First you see me?
Yeah, you know Vincent?
No.
It's Monday party.
Yeah.
Always come over here.
Oh, you might as well watch then.
No, I'm saying always come over.
Oh. But I pick up a
Sharp bread and red one bite. I want to 50 them bite.
nah, pick up. Well, big him up, tell him say you see me. Yeah? So finally you see me. I never sharp my tall. Yeah? Zen. Oh, go on, my brother. Driver. Don't stop at all. Oh, go on, mommy. All is well.
It's great.
I turn on the film look please, yeah.
It's great with God.
Great with God. How the therapy are going? How is the therapy? Enjoying it?
Some I exercise them and struggle with them. And other side
Enjoy. But you only can struggle till you can get used to it though. So you get used to it. You see me? You get used to it, man. So you don't have to worry. The struggle, that's the start. But you have to struggle, you know. So even when you play football, remember you have to get fit. You got unfit first and you have to go train hard to get fit. So you got to struggle getting fit. You know? So soon as you start work, but you have to go through the struggle first. That's how life, you know. You know tell them, mommy? So life, see me, man. So you have to go through the struggle first. Because I remember, you know, when you're a baby, you know, what you have to do? You could creep before you used to in your mother, and then you can creep, then you can walk, then you can run. So that's how the steps are, you know. Him so like when I look over on my side, he must remind me of his name Jakey. See him so as well to you know, talking, yeah.
Hello.
My mother look a friend.
Turn on the voice.
You know, see him.
Interview going on
so
right.
everything.
I'm going to start doing pooling.
Yeah.
Friday.
Alright. I go swim. See, I go swim.
That's a part of the therapy.
The
Next step.
You like swimming? You can swim?
Just ask me to turn on the voice. Hello, me just ask me to turn on the voice a while ago, you know.
Turn down a little bit, please. Where man, you gotta learn. That's a lesson you gotta become a big swimmer, a footballer and a big swimmer. Right there. So me also bring some pampers as well too for him. You know, I may have 2 donations as well too. You know. And Esther. Give me the wipes. And the wipes as well too. You know. I'm also have 2 donations here as well too for him. See, you're rich again. I think face. Yeah, a big accountant now. You know. Him though. So that means I'm go rich. You know when you're a footballer, work and money you get in a week time, you know. You know? So what you gotta do with that money there? When you play football and make so much money, what you gotta do with it? Tell me what you gotta do with all that money.
If you have a plan.
Exactly. So what's the plan with all that money we are gonna make? You never have any yet? No? So we gotta just go and keep it. That lie. You never have no plan yet with the money yet, Christine. So,
Oh, you know the plan. My plans are most him don't want to the plans.
What are the plans? Tell me what the plans are.
Football something again, they tell me. Football club. You never build a football club. You never build a football club.
Yeah.
And so I look at clipping.
Oh,
I try to understand it.
Oh.
You weigh my thing.
La Liga Academy. For Barcelona. Oh, Real Madrid. They got past the academy though. You have to play for the first team.
Now I'm gonna go Liverpool.
You got trials. Yeah. So you change your mind from Liverpool then? You change your mind from Liverpool as your mother asks you? But what no? Liverpool now win the Premier League.
Have the small teenagers.
Okay, the man academy. So that's what I'm saying. If you go Man U. I mean, big team you go, you know. You tell them Esther, biggest team in the world.
United.
Of course. The biggest. When you go there so right now, they have everything. Everything you can. They have academy and everything for them use them. Everything. Don't go Arsenal, yeah? No. Not go Arsenal, no, good.
So you're not going my team, you would play for my team.
Yeah.
Right?
You go Man U. Man U straight. I mean. Alright then, so I have 2 donations. Are you want to collect the money this time? So alright then, put on your tablet, put down your tablet. You know what you have to go do? You have to count it and then you tell the people then thanks. You know? You want to do that one there today? Or you want mommy take it over?
I think to do that one day by my manager.
Yeah. You know, this have to help out with the therapy same way. Right? Alright, so I'm going to start here with this one first. So this is $8,000 from Ivan, from Canada. So you have counted first and then I go tell Ivan from Canada how much you thank her for this. Right? Alright then, so I'm going to take away the job for your mommy and put it in your hand. Right? So here you go. Ding 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 ding. So you have counted first. Says make sure it's 8. Alright, how much I get? 8. Alright, so her name is Ivan, so you go tell her thanks now.
Good name Evans from Canada. I really appreciate the contribution you put to my therapy and oh God bless you.
Wow, man intelligent man. Wow, bright. Yes. Cause you know him as a shy up, and them saying when them quiet, you don't know what them have in store, you know. You know, see, you surprise everybody now, you know. I can guess everyone's face is smiling while I'm watching this video, you know, because they've been dying to hear you speak, you know. And this now, this is a big one, you know. So this one is a big one. So you see that big one, you know, you have a count that big one, you're good. So me have 56,000. Yeah, so it looks small because they're in a 5. So this is 56,000 and it's from Keith, you know, and his neighbor called Blue. You know, so it's Keith and his neighbor called Blue. And this Blue, so his name is Keith, but his next door neighbor Blue, his name Blue. Right, so it's Keith and Blue. So this is $56,000. Right, so we're gonna match up that one and now. Much I get? 56. Oh, the man, no, I'm going, man, you know. Alright, and it's from Keith, you know, and his neighbor named Blue. So you can thank them both.
Good evening, Keith and Blue. I really appreciate the contribution you put to my therapy, so I can walk again and see many more. You know, like the plane.
Yeah.
And oh God bless.
Alright then, so I want to thank you so much to Keith and his neighbor Blue. We thank you so much, you know, and they're from Boston, America, you know, from Boston. So I want to thank them so much, you know. So mommy, well, we never need you today, you know. Might as well be send him alone, you know, so he could have deal with everything, you know. I also have some pampers here as well to help out, okay? So now you're richer again today, you know. So you have more money for more therapy sessions. Say no time you'll be running up and down, you know, playing football. So mommy, you can thank Keith and Blue as well.
And Blue and Ivan.
Yes.
Thanks to you all. God blesses you. I really appreciate it from a child, a travel walker. And I just want to say big up God. God, He make it possible. You guys can contribute and support. To support towards history. So thank you all. Thank you very much.
Yes. I will give thanks. Right, Zane? Alright, so you got elastic and plastic. You want elastic? You want elastic? You want elastic and the plastic? And it's continuous smile. And we have stars among stars over here. So it's stars among stars. She always talk about say yo, Lego the crime. You know, because see what the crime costs, you know, we need to Lego that. And she also have a song, you know, we have warn them about it. You understand? Live it up, you know, because they can see the younger one them is feeling. Can't take that, you know. So this is the reason why I've been telling them, I've been sending out the message because they can see what's happening in the community.
The people on the bed said them no response for that. They ever send them come back, God was right and spot. And what about the love? You don't know what hatred that full time we live up and just clean up we act. Full time we live up and just clean up we act. Hey, just leave it up, now give it up. All stars, just leave it up, now give it up. Stars among stars, leave it up, now give it up. Righteousness must proceed. We prepare a better way for youth them. If we not do it today, when we go do it, the youth them need a better future. Crime and violence to cut out. Stop it. Yes, stars among stars. So God will be the glory. Big up yourself, Keen, and the whole team.
Yes.
The teamwork, make the dream work. Oneness.
All the time.
All star.
Because you know, I feel like say the struggle we face mostly in church zone is not the poverty.
Exactly.
It's the crime.
Poor mentality.
You know, the poor mentality. You know, yes, because I don't need to stop because that's what we face on a daily basis. You know, I remember we survived it, you know. A lot of us never reached this far, see, you can tell the tales because you can see it affect them from them early stage.
Yes.
You know, I try to get that, eradicate that out of Trenchtown because a lot of community change, you know.
Yes, man, changes can't come that
So,
we
you know,
people ever do it.
yes, so I wonder what's going on with our community, why it's so stagnant, you know. We put up so much resistance for change. You know, why is that? Well, that's why we have put up so much resistance for change. Of course. Of course. Yeah, of course.
Everybody sick, without no one in the war and no one right. Everybody to the benefit.
Of course.
Yes.
Of course. Of course.
Them, those and
Of course. Because Trenchtown can be like the North Coast side in a resort community, you know, not a resort community.
Yes.
Where you can come, it can get so many. It's like Trenchtown full of so much richness,
Yes.
you know, in talent, in life, in so much things. You know, people will be dying to come here.
True.
So imagine all the way up on College Drive and West Road, you have peer vendor out,
True.
you know, waiting for the big bus them to come in, to come tour Trenchtown, you know, the museum. There's so much here. You know, cause everybody when you hear about Trenchtown, like everybody, movie star, everybody pass through here. You know, so when you feel like, we thought we start within ourselves. So me start long time by making the change. You know, the parents them here making the example for a better change. You know, so do the same, man. Our community, right? So we can't afford to affect any more younger children anymore because it's not a good look.
No.
You know. Because as me always saying, a lot of talents them never get to showcase because them end up over the cemetery.
Yes.
You know?
Same crime and violence.
Same crime and violence. And we have too much here right now.
But
you know?
there's better way than crime and violence.
Of course.
You know, we can reason it out. We can vex to the one another.
Yes.
Instead of vex to the one another.
Yes. And talk it out.
Yeah.
You know, you can talk, you never go to that part, you know.
Yeah.
Right now we need another Usain Bolt, and I hope him come out of Trenchtown.
Yes.
You know, we are next top cricketer, our next Brian Lara, so I hope him come from Trenchtown.
Yeah.
Another top we call him Cristiano Ronaldo, top footballer like Zane, you know, and I hope him come out of Trenchtown.
Yeah.
You know, so we are hope for these things to rise out of the community.
It be either one.
I mean, too much gun the hands up.
Exactly, and him can run, you know. Yeah, man, so we give thanks, Zane. Big up yourself, man, run out, yeah? Alright, then, mommy, take it easy, yeah? Alright, let's start. All stars. You know, oh, big up. Come in! Yes. Esther Campbell. So we're going to run now. Yeah?
Me da wait for drop out to take it.
Hey, nah, drop out though. Nah, right. Sasha. Steals and steals. Work are going around here. Well, younger kids them not take no talk. Damn. The younger generation, them boys. They say AI. AI. They said AI kids. Nice. The younger. How old is she? 10? 9. And a fighter for our own family just now. Imagine that. 9.
I see our voice, fear our voice like a thunderbolt.
The big one, J boy. Look at one J, big one more. Wicked up. Post up for a chair. I'm going to cheese. I'm still going to find it.
I come like a thing one boy.
Raga. Alright then, big up.
Boom, me buy boom.
We're on the next one. Watch I know. You see life in Jamaica.
You hear that? Carry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch channel, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.